Hi class, welcome to week 6. Today, we are going to review how to complete and submit your end of course survey that counts for a grade towards your overall grade. Under week 6, we're going to click on the orange quiz that reads week 6 graded assignment end of course survey. Here, it shows us the link to take us to the short survey that is anonymous through SurveyMonkey. That'll open in a tab. Complete questions 1 through 15 and then click Done. You will then go back to Moodle Rooms. Underneath the link, we have to come down to Preview Quiz Now. You have to complete this in order to get the grade for your end of course survey. Here, all you have to do is answer the one question that reads, you completed the survey. Click True and Finish Attempt. Then you will click Submit All and Finish. This is your confirmation. All you have to do is click Submit All and Finish. It'll pop up showing you your grade for the quiz. Remember, you must complete this step in order to get your grade for the end of course survey. And as always, reach out to your instructor or your academic coach with any questions.